This week on Entertainment Recap, a little something on Trinidad Carnival, Charlie Blacks on album tour, these and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. There's a lot happening with our local artists who I can safely say are not all local anymore. They're up to big things, and since I say big things, let me just say a few of them got nominated for the Mobile Music of Black Origin Best Reggae Act. We are talking about that. The local acts nominated for the awards are Lila Ike, Popcorn, Sean Paul, Spice, Shensia, and Skillibeng. Congrats are in order for all of you for being nominated for the Mobile Awards under the Best Reggae Act category. For those thinking on planning a trip to Trinidad for Carnival 2022, hold your horses. According to the National Carnival Commission Chairman, Winston Peters, he could not confirm whether they would have Carnival. He did state that he and his team have been in discussions with the Ministry of Arts, Culture and Tourism to discuss possibilities of hosting something that may look like a traditional carnival vibe. Many carnival fans are still basking in the fun and color of the recently held Miami Carnival, and this is adding to the thirst. Mr. Peters, who was also on hand in Miami, said that the team in Miami pulled off a great staging and said that they could emulate some of the processes that were put in place because the majority of people were from the Caribbean. Caribbean people just love to party. Part of their biggest concern is the fact that COVID cases are rising. Did you go to Miami Carnival? Should the Caribbean restart their carnival festivities? Share your thoughts with us, but in the meantime, let's take a look at a few performances.
Everybody stretch out your hands and carry. Hey, carry on. Everybody carry. Hey, carry on. Louder, louder, carry. Even louder. Now start to whine.
Love your piano dog. You ready? Oh, you're full of chatter, you can't keep up with the energy. What a epic night of it embedded in your lethal barrier, if you treat it like a felony.
We're ready for the road. We're ready for the road. Put your hands in the air right now. So we're ready. We're ready. Yeah, we're ready. We're ready. Yeah, we're ready. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. Say that we're ready. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. Yeah, we're ready. We're serious. We're serious. We're ready.
It's Charlie, and he is on tour. Charlie kicked off his North American album tour dubbed Rio Bueno from November 11, which continues until December 12. The tour will bring him to states such as New York, Michigan, Florida, Illinois, Virginia, and a few others. There will be a live recording on November 27 while performing in New Brunswick. Now peep that. I'm loving how all these film producers are using our reggae and dancehall genre as a part of their soundtrack catalog for their movies. And I'm even super happy for veteran reggae artist Shaka Demus from the duo Shaka Demus and Pliers. His single, Original Kuff, landed a spot on the Starz crime drama series, Hightown. Hightown premiered on the network in May 2020 and has a lot of stars. Shaka Demus told one of our local newspapers that the single, Original Kuff, was written about clashes in dancehall and the show is not about dancehall clashes. Congrats, Shaka Demus. If you don't know the song, I got you. See a piece of it here.
This one you call the original. This one you call the original. Come in and dance and go like your back and know you.
So, Bobby Shmurda is getting a few jabs from critics about his dance move. They say it's a bit zesty. Look, we in Jamaica, we call it fruity. Don't know what that means? Shows you need to keep your ears on the streets and watch more episodes of Entertainment Recap. In an interview with DJ Academics, Shmurda was asked about the zesty comments and the fact that fans may have implied that he's gay. Laughing, he said, he laughed at the haters and questioned why, when Chris Brown whines, they say nothing. He also added, why when Beenie Man whines, they say nothing. Whining is an art form, part of some cultures within the Caribbean. It's a form of dance done by both men and women in a particular form and style that can differentiate the two. Don't ask me to show you. As you can see, my bones are a little bit thick. This week's new music features Samantha J with Fat Banks, Ja Vinci with Bless Me, Vybz Kartel with Certified Money Boy, Skillibeng featuring Spice with Richer, and Quadadan with Misconception. Take a look.
Big fat Benz is a vibe for me. Big fat Benz is a vibe. It's a vibe for me. That's the only way that you could ride. Big fat Benz is a vibe for me. Big fat Benz is a vibe. It's a vibe for me. That's the only way that you could ride for me.
Try your bless me different, me feel like it different. Cause every time I wake and decorate a year, make me know say it different. Try your bless me different, cause no feud no make it out through the year. Girl, try your bless me different, feel like it different. Them know my bad, me coulda dead and gone. Try your bless me different, me know say it different. And me see me first start, and she need for band.
Living good things, but them a talk about. Poverty me born and me crawl out. Mommy get the house that she asks about. Turn up on the mountain, me shout it loud. Money, me love money. Money, me love money. Money, me love money.
More life for this, so the thing there, pan the roof, helicopter filling up there, escalator, yeah, instead of stairway, Lamborghini, Bugatti, a couple Bentley.
More money, more life, more money, more life, more money, more life, more money, more life. Buy some big house, told me I spend must find one kilo. Be a fat Benz with a driver, reach out, range and Bentley for shine and get up.
So I me and stay far from people. When you're too friendly, them think you're feeble. Me say no boy can't diss me for vehicle. Rather stay alone with God and one reason. Enough man loyalty they in a season. Enough girl wicked and some of them evil. That's why me and stay far from people. Too strong for them think me feeble.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to this veteran. Happy birthday to you. Even though you're not here with us, this week's birthday shout out goes to Jamaican reggae artist Eddie Fitzroy. Rest easy, great one, and your great work will continue. Live on. And we just, I gotta say, big up you. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia, and follow us on all socials at PBCJ. Jamaica. Thanks to Ear Candy Collection for my earrings as per usual. And remember to follow them on all socials at the Ear Candy Collection. If it's not this week, it's next week. So stay tuned and keep it locked on more entertainment recap. And always and forever, big up you!